Popsicle sticks and yarn unite to light the tree with homemade might. Ribbon wrapped in bows on gifts, a crafty cheer in the soft twilight.